I'm going to teach you what niches to go after for maximum profits, whether you're creating your own product or marketing them as an affiliate. I'm Joel Therien, and I've been an entrepreneur since I was 16 years old. I saw my first real income by age 23. Here are a few things that I've learned along the way. Failure is not to be feared, it's to be admired. You never fail, you only win or you learn. There's no finish line, there is only creation and innovation. Hey folks, Joel Therien here, and I get this question all the time. Joel, what do I sell online? Well, let me tell you the first thing not to do. It does not matter what you like. Really, it doesn't. What matters is what you like, but what other people like as well. So that's the main key thing, right? If you're really passionate, I'll give you an example of my own. I'm really passionate about turtles. It's a long story as to why I like turtles, but I love them.
That's sexy Susie, baby. Where's Georgie?
Now, if I decided I was gonna sell turtles online, I'd be really broke. Why? There's not a whole lot of people around the world who are looking to purchase turtles online. So the key is, how do you find something you like? How do you find something that other people love? And how can you maximize your profits? So the first component is, you should be working in desperation markets. And there's 3 desperation markets out there. There's health, right? When people lose their health, they're willing to do anything to get it back. So there's health, there's wealth. When somebody loses their job, they're looking desperately on ways to making money online or to pay their bills. And the third is relationships. When somebody's relationship is going down the tubes, whether they're facing divorce or they're having arguments or they can't seem to get a date, whatever the case may be, that's the third market that's really hot. So those are all desperation markets, right? So how do you niche it down so that it's something in those markets that you like and something you'll enjoy? Because a lot of people also say, you know, hey, I don't really particularly like this or that. As an example, in the health market, I love the health market, but I'm not that particularly fond of doing hours and hours of cardio. And there are hundreds of books out there on proper cardiovascular exercise, and there's lots of trends associated with cardiovascular exercise, you know, Zumba or cycling or spinning or whatever. So those are huge markets. But for me personally, I'm not big into cardio. I do enough cardio just to keep my heart healthy. So if I started creating a niche market in cardio, chances are I won't be successful with it because I need to be passionate about it too. So many people say, well, once I start making money, I might get really passionate about it, which is maybe a little bit true. But the truth is, you'll probably never get to the point of making good money in something that you're not passionate about because you need to be consistent, okay? High volume and consistency is what creates perfection, okay? So that's really important. So as an example for me, there are a lot of trends in the health space. So there's the ketogenic diet, there's resistance training. I'm very passionate about resistance training. I'm very passionate about getting people down to very low levels of body fat so they look sexy on the beach or they feel better in the mirror, that kind of stuff. Now you can also combine some of them. As an example, I talk a lot about becoming the best version of yourself. Well, what are those 2 desperation markets about becoming the best version of yourself? Have you ever gotten dumped? What's one of the first things you want to do when your marriage ends or somebody breaks up with you? You want to get in better shape. So I could combine easily something around relationships and something around becoming the best version of yourself in health and wellness and make a great income that way as well. And then so the other one too is wealth. We do a lot of MLM and network marketing online. Why? I'm very passionate about that. I'm specifically passionate about creating something that generates long-term residual income. And that's why I got into the web hosting and digital marketing space. When we sell our autoresponder or we sell our web hosting or we sell any of our tools, what I like is the fact of acquiring a new customer, and when that customer loves our tools, they become a customer for a very long time. And that's some of the best forms of residual and passive income out there. So that's the key, folks, is if you want to make good money, a couple of things are very important that I just want to summarize. It doesn't matter what you like. What matters is that you like it and there's other people that like it too. Number two, try to focus in the desperation markets, which is health, wealth, or relationships. If you can get anywhere in between those and you're passionate about it, then chances are you can make really good money. Now, as an affiliate, if you want to promote those products and services and not create your own, the best places to go is ClickBank Marketplace or the JVZoo Marketplace. When you go to those, all you have to do is put in keywords like health or ketogenic diet or dating or my marriage is ending or whatever it is, and you'll find great products and services that you can promote that way as well. So those are the three main niches that you really want to focus on. Because again, I love turtles, but I'd be so broke trying to sell turtles to somebody across the world. So I hope that makes sense. And if you have any questions, post below. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell for all the notifications so that you get notified on the next video that we do.